Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, the 8th of February, 2014. Not sure what today's going to bring, but I do know I'm going to eat something in a couple of minutes. I hope all of you are well. So I'm just me. Breakfast is a Jimmy Dean sandwich. It's the croissant with yums. Time to have the other half of my spree from last night. Yummy! Good for the tummy. Not really, but technically it's not that good for me because it's got sugar, but I like it anyway. So, I'm having an apple and one of my chicken sandwiches for lunch. Yum. Yum yum. And now I'm having some raviolis. They have cheese and spinach. Yums. Last food for today is a little bit of French toast made with egg whites and has a little bit of syrup on it, as you can see. Yum!